In this video, I'm going to show you how you can expand your chat terminal on FxPro. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to expand your chat terminal, it's pretty simple. Let me show you how you can do it. To achieve this, just hover over up here and then you'll see this expand icon. Now, if you click on this, the chat will occupy the whole page on your terminal, and now you'll have a wider view of your chat terminal. However, should you want to restore this to normal size, there are two ways you can achieve this. First, you can go ahead and just click on this default workspace and this will restore it. Alternatively, you can also restore it by just collapsing this expand and it will collapse it from full screen to normal screen. So that's how you can expand or collapse your chat terminal in FxPro. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.